Hello. Can you find the letter for Daddy? Where's the letter for Daddy? That's right. Where's the letter for Mommy? Where's the letter for Mommy? Where's the letter for Mommy? Mummy. Where's the letter for Mommy?
Can you find the letter for Mommy?
That was it. Can you find the letter for Kitty? Where's the letter for Kitty? That's right. Very good. Can you find the letter for Rufus? That's right. Rufus starts with an R and he's a puppy. Starts with a P.
Where's the letter for Mommy? Can you find the letter for Mommy?
Where's the letter for Mummy? Here.
No.
Okay, well you did just do this. Can you find the letter for... Thank you. Very good. Now can you find the letter for Aunt Airy? Where's the letter for Airy? Very good. Good job, Willow. You're so smart. Can you find the letter for Bagger? It's a tough one. Yay! You're so smart. What a smarty pants. Hi.
Now can you